Home workouts have become increasingly popular. They offer convenience and flexibility. You can exercise anytime, anywhere. No need for expensive gym memberships or fancy equipment. Just your body and a bit of space. Bodyweight exercises are highly effective. They build strength, improve flexibility, and boost cardiovascular fitness. They also enhance core stability. This makes them perfect for anyone, regardless of fitness level. Working out at home saves time. It eliminates the commute to the gym. You can fit in a quick session during lunch breaks or between chores. Plus, it's cost-effective. There's no need to invest in machines or weights. In this guide, we'll explore the benefits of home workouts. We'll delve into essential bodyweight exercises. We'll provide sample routines for all fitness levels. We'll also discuss progressive overload and tips for creating a workout space. Finally, we'll talk about nutrition and the importance of consistency. Bodyweight training uses your own weight as resistance. This makes it accessible and versatile. You don't need any special equipment, just your body and determination. It's a natural way to build strength and endurance. One of the biggest advantages is its adaptability. You can modify exercises to match your fitness level. Beginners can start with basic moves. As you progress, you can increase the difficulty. This keeps your workouts challenging and effective. Bodyweight exercises engage multiple muscle groups. This leads to better overall fitness. They also improve balance and coordination. These benefits translate to everyday activities. You'll move more efficiently and reduce the risk of injury. Consistency is key in bodyweight training. Regular practice leads to significant improvements. Over time, you'll notice increased muscle tone and strength. Your flexibility will improve and you'll feel more energetic. It's a holistic approach to fitness that fits into any lifestyle. Push-ups are a staple in bodyweight training. They target the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. They're simple, yet highly effective. You can do them anywhere, making them perfect for home workouts. Start in a plank position. Place your hands shoulder-width apart. Keep your body straight from head to heels. Lower yourself until your chest nearly touches the floor. Push back up to the starting position. That's 1 rep. There are many variations to challenge yourself. Beginners can start with knee push-ups. Advanced exercisers can try decline push-ups or clapping push-ups. Each variation targets muscles differently, adding variety to your routine. Incorporate push-ups into your workout plan. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. As you get stronger, increase the number of reps or sets. Push-ups build upper body strength and endurance. They also engage your core, improving stability. Squats are essential for building leg strength. They target the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Squats also engage the core and lower back. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Keep your chest up and your back straight. Lower your body as if sitting back into a chair. Push through your heels to return to the starting position. Proper form is crucial to avoid injury. Include squats in your routine for strong, toned legs. Planks, core stability and strength. Planks are excellent for building core strength. They engage the abdominals, back and shoulders. Planks also improve stability and posture. They're a must-have in any home workout routine. Start in a push-up position. Keep your body straight from head to heels. Hold this position for as long as you can. Aim for at least 30 seconds. As you get stronger, increase the duration. There are many plank variations. Side planks target the obliques. Plank jacks add a cardio element. Try different types to engage various muscle groups. This keeps your core workouts dynamic and challenging. Consistency is key with planks. Include them in your routine several times a week. Aim for 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. Gradually increase the time as you build strength. Planks enhance core stability, which benefits all other exercises. Sample workout routines for beginners. Starting a new workout routine can be daunting. Here's a simple plan for beginners. It includes basic bodyweight exercises. This routine builds a solid foundation for more advanced workouts. Begin with a warm-up. 5 minutes of light cardio, like jogging in place, is ideal. Follow with dynamic stretches to prepare your muscles. 1 push-ups, 3 sets of 10 reps, 2 squats, 3 sets of 15 reps, 3 planks, 3 sets of 30 seconds, 4 glute bridges, 3 sets of 15 reps, 5 bicycle crunches, 3 sets of 20 reps. Cool down with static stretches. Focus on the muscles you worked. Hold each stretch for 20 to 30 seconds. This routine can be done 3 times a week. It's a great way to start your fitness journey. As you get stronger, you can increase the reps or sets. Listen to your body and progress at your own pace. The key is consistency. Stick with this routine and you'll see improvements in strength and endurance. Intermediate and advanced workouts. Once you've mastered the basics, it's time to advance. Here's a routine for intermediate exercises. It includes more challenging variations of basic moves. Warm up with light cardio and dynamic stretches. Decline push-ups, 3 sets of 12 reps. Jump squats, 3 sets of 15 reps. Side planks, 3 sets of 30 seconds each side. Bulgarian split squats, 3 sets of 12 reps each leg. Mountain climbers, 3 sets of 20 reps. For advanced exercises, here's a more intense routine. Clapping push-ups, 3 sets of 10 reps. Pistol squats, 3 sets of 10 reps each leg. Plank jacks, 3 sets of 30 seconds. Single leg glute bridges, 3 sets of 12 reps each leg. Burpees, 3 sets of 15 reps. Cool down with static stretches. Hold each stretch for 20 to 30 seconds. These routines challenge your strength and endurance. They also keep your workouts exciting and effective. Remember to listen to your body and progress safely. Progressive overload techniques. Progressive overload is crucial for continuous improvement. It involves gradually increasing the difficulty of your workouts. This can be done by adding reps, sets, or intensity. Start by increasing the number of reps. If you can do 10 push-ups comfortably, aim for 12. Once you can do 12, aim for 15. This keeps your muscles challenged and growing. Adding sets is another way to progress. If you're doing 3 sets of squats, try 4. More sets increase the volume of your workout. This leads to greater strength and endurance gains. Increasing intensity is also effective. Try more challenging variations of exercises. For example, switch from regular push-ups to decline push-ups. This adds difficulty and keeps your workouts dynamic. Track your progress. Keep a workout journal. Note the number of reps, sets, and variations you do. This helps you see improvements and stay motivated. Progressive overload ensures you continue to make gains in strength and fitness. Creating a workout-friendly space. A dedicated workout space can boost your motivation. It doesn't need to be large or fancy. Just a small area with enough room to move freely, clear any clutter. This reduces distractions and creates a focused environment. A clean, organized space is more inviting. It encourages you to stick to your workout routine. Invest in a good exercise mat. It provides cushioning and support. This is especially important for exercises on hard floors. Mats also define your workout area, making it feel like your own mini gym. Consider adding a mirror. It helps you check your form. Proper form is crucial to avoid injury and maximize effectiveness. A mirror also makes the space feel larger and brighter. Personalize your space. Add motivational quotes or posters. Play your favorite music. These small touches make your workout area more enjoyable. A positive environment enhances your workout experience. Nutrition for home workouts. Nutrition plays a vital role in fitness. Proper fuel helps you perform better and recover faster. Focus on a balanced diet rich in nutrients. Include plenty of protein. It's essential for muscle repair and growth. Good sources include lean meats, fish, eggs, and plant-based proteins like beans and lentils. Carbohydrates provide energy. Choose complex carbs like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. They release energy slowly, keeping you fueled throughout your workout. Healthy fats are also important. They support overall health and provide long-lasting energy. Include sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil in your diet. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water before, during, and after your workouts. Dehydration can lead to fatigue and reduce performance. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Consistency and tracking progress. Consistency is key to achieving fitness goals. Stick to your workout routine. Make exercise a regular part of your daily schedule. This builds a habit and leads to lasting results. Set realistic goals. Start with small, achievable targets. Gradually increase them as you progress. This keeps you motivated and focused. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Track your progress. Keep a workout journal. Record your exercises, reps and sets. Note any improvements or challenges. This helps you see your progress over time. It also highlights areas that need more focus. Adapt your workouts as needed. Listen to your body. If an exercise becomes too easy, make it more challenging. If you feel pain, adjust your form or switch to a different exercise. The goal is to keep progressing safely. Stay motivated. Find a workout buddy or join an online fitness community. Share your journey and support each other. Consistency and tracking progress lead to long-term success.